Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to create an L-shaped corner desk in Adonai. First, go to the closet section and select an open unit. Adjust the parameters of the cabinet, including the width, depth, height, and distance from the floor to fit your desired dimensions. Once set, place the cabinet at the corner. Next, duplicate the cabinet and adjust its parameters accordingly. Place it on the other side to complete the L shape. To make the design more functional, duplicate another cabinet and position it as needed. Now to add drawers, go to the Parts section, select a drawer and place it inside the cabinet. Make sure to set the cover type to full cover for a seamless look. Repeat the same process for the remaining cabinet. Once the drawers are in place, you can also open them by pressing the Ctrl+O key. And that's it. You now have a custom L-shaped corner desk designed quickly and efficiently in Adonai.